Let's kind of talk from your vantage point. Basically, the folks that contact us, and they have really no idea what a retirement planning specialist does, but maybe those who have thought they had a retirement planning specialist, then they get with us and start working, and just the difference they see in terms of the detail and the amount of work and what we're trying to do to help them be worry-free in retirement.
I think the key difference is most people that come to us who have maybe worked with a financial advisor before really never had a written game plan. So they've had accounts that they've had managed, but they've had no real plan on how to use those and what piece that falls into the retirement process.
Yeah, I kind of think about that a little bit. It reminds me of when somebody comes in, a lot of times, I know you're meeting people more and more on the first appointment, but I love meeting people on the first appointment. You know, they're very gracious. They bring in all their stuff, their tax returns, all their investment statements. And I don't mean to be terse with them, but I'll say, okay, so let me see the game plan. And they're like, what do you mean? What's a game plan? They have no clue. And the fear is, as we'll talk about later, if you don't have that game plan, when in the world are you going to know when to spend the money, how much you can spend? So it's really been a key, and we appreciate all your work there. So as a result of this proven process, this software we have in the staff, how would you say that's all been coordinated over the years? Because it didn't happen just overnight. I mean, you've seen how we've had trial and error, we've tried different things, but to this effort of trying to just continually improve what we do for our clients, how would you say in terms of our passion for doing that?
Oh, yeah, we're always in continual process improvement. I mean, I think you and I have been on a long journey together. When we first started the idea of income plans, retirement plans, I was sketching them all out on an Excel spreadsheet, which, lots of formulas and things like that, which I loved. But then, we were blessed by growth, and the practicality of that was just to sustain that type of growth. Can't do that by hand. So that's when we started developing the proprietary software so we could develop income plans a little bit more faster, more efficiently. And other processes that we've improved are different software that we're using for our Schwab reporting and rebalancing. We had some that was working fine, but we found better ones that we're implementing this year that just improves it that much better. We really want to have the client experience to be as great as possible.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips, and be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.